Here's a quick video on how to receive a payment from a customer in QuickBooks Online. So what I'm going to do is go up to my New button, click Receive Payment, and we received a payment. Let's say you got a check in the mail from my company, Casey Moss Tax and Accounting LLC. Payment date, we're going to say we got it today. Payment method, let's say it was a check. Move my stupid head out of the way. Reference number, you're going to want to put the check number in there if you got paid by a check. Deposit to, this is important, undeposited funds. If you're receiving a check and you generally don't make a deposit every day, maybe you put the checks in the drawer or something like that, or if you don't deposit the checks individually, you should use undeposited funds, because then when you go to actually draw up your deposit on the bank form, you can select all these different checks and include them all in the same deposit. That way, your records will match what's coming through the bank account. So I generally do recommend using this undeposited funds category there. And so once you select that customer, what's going to happen is all the outstanding invoices are going to pop up. So let's say we received a payment for the open balance. It's going to automatically pop in $102.50 or $142.50. If, let's say, we got a partial payment of $75, you can adjust that as well. And then we're going to click Save and New. That's how you receive the payment. So then the next step would be to enter a deposit with the bank. So let's actually do Save and Close here, or X out. Then we're going to hit New, Bank Deposit. So now what will happen is all of the checks that we've entered into undeposited funds, those are generally going to show up here. So let's say we have this, 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 and this. So we have a total deposit of $2,405.02. And then you can see that you can add funds to the deposit. So let's say you got a check today and you didn't want to go through the rest of the process as you're drawing up the deposit. You can add some more funds that you receive from different customers and add those to the deposit. Cash back, if you're getting cash back at the bank, that's important. Select the offset for the cash back, the memo, and the total amount of cash back you received. And then you can add any attachments if you want to, upload copies of the checks or something like that. You can upload those there, and then we're going to hit Save and Close. So from there, if you want to go to your banking, checking account, we'll go to the bank register. You can see our deposit is right here, $2,405.02. So when that comes through on the bank account that's connected, all you'll have to do is match the transaction to the one that you've already recorded. If you have any further questions about this, feel free to contact me, Casey Moss Tax and Accounting LLC in Illinois. My website is caseymosstax.com.